friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Shadow from Sonic as Batman. So first we're going to get started in the center with the nose. And we're going to start by drawing in a small circle. And then on top of this, we're going to draw in another small circle for the highlight. And we're just going to color the nose in black. Let's draw in the muzzle now. So we're going to curve this down, over, and through. And then we'll do the same thing on the left. Now starting further up, we're going to connect this by curving this all the way over and through on the right hand side. Just making sure that this line blends in together. Let's draw in the frown. We're going to draw in a small arch line in the center. Let's move up directly in the middle. We're going to draw in a small straight line. And now from here on both sides, we're going to draw on the top of the eye. So we're going to curve this up, around, and down on the side. And then we're going to start back in the middle, replicating that, bringing that up, over, and down. And then we're just going to, above both eyes, draw in a nice big arch line, bringing that further down as we come in towards the center. Now let's draw in our pupils. So we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval on both sides. As we move in towards the center of the eye now, let's draw in a nice big oval right in the middle. And then towards the top of both eyes, we're just going to draw in another oval for the highlight. And then again, just coloring in that pupil black. Now let's come up and draw in our ears. So as we come over on the side, we're going to curve this line out. And now from that point, we're just going to bring this line back around and through towards the bottom. In the center now, we're going to curve this line down. And then we're going to close that off by just replicating the shape on the outside, creating a small triangle right in the middle. Now let's close off the center of the head. So we're going to bring this up on a diagonal, bringing that back down on the right. Let's draw on the spikes behind, curving this out. From that point, we're going to bring this back around and in on the side. Again, from here, we're going to curve this line over and through. And then again, from that point, just curving this back around and in towards the chin. Let's move down and draw in the torso. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, curving this down. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then right in the middle here for the legs, we're just going to draw in a curved line. Let's draw on the belt. So for the top of the belt, we're going to bring this line across. We'll drop below, replicating that. Now in the center, we're going to draw in two straight lines that come up on both sides for the belt buckle. And then in the middle, we're just going to draw in a small rectangle. Let's step across again, drawing in two more straight lines on either side. And then again, let's do that one more time as we come further over towards the side. Now let's draw in the bat symbol. So right in the center, we're going to draw in a small straight line across. We'll draw two small diagonal lines coming out for the ears. And then we're going to bring that line down on either side. Let's draw on the wing now, curving this up towards our chin. From that point, we're going to curve this around and then down on both sides. Now from that corner, bringing this up and through on the side. And then again from that point, just bringing that further down and in towards the center, closing off the bottom of the bat. Now we're just going to move in towards the middle and replicate that. So a small straight line in the center, two diagonal lines, bringing that down on either side for the ears. We're going to curve that line up for the wing And then from that corner, bringing this back down. Now from that point, we're going to bring this down and in, just copying the shape on the outside. So then again, one last time from that point, bringing that down in the center, just making sure we leave a gap. And now let's move down and draw in the legs. So as we come down on the inside, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line on both sides. Let's step further down, bringing this diagonal line up for the boot. Let's close off the side of the leg now, bringing that line down. As we move over on the outside, bringing that line out and then in. And then on the inside, just drawing in another diagonal line that comes down, ending that at roughly the same height. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line. Now let's move up, drawing in a slight diagonal line on the inside. Let's draw in a ring around this, curving this around and back in. Now let's draw on the bottom of the shoe. So we're going to arch this line down towards the bottom on both sides, ending that at the same height. Now we're going to curve this line out and over. From here on the outside, we're going to bring this line up, over, and down. And then we're going to curve this back in towards the inside. On the inside now, curving this line up. And then closing off the top of the shoe, just bringing that line down. Stepping over on the inside now, we're going to bring this line up, over, and down. And then one more time, just curving this around and down towards the bottom. Now on the inside, we're going to arch this line around and down, creating a small circle. Now let's move over and draw in the arms. So we're going to come over for the wrist, curving this line across. We're going to bring this line up and then down for the spike. And then moving over again, bringing this up and back down. Now coming over on the inside, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming down. Let's close off the arm now. So we're going to arch this over and in towards the side. Let's draw on the cape up above now. So we're going to curve this line down from that corner. And then again, one more time from that corner, bringing this up towards the chin. Now let's draw on the rest of the arm. So we're going to curve this line across, connecting that together. Let's move down now. For the hand, we're going to draw in a small bracket. First finger, we're going to curve this line up. For the thumb, we're going to arch this around, leaving a gap, bringing that over. Now on the inside and the top, we're just going to draw in a curved line connecting the wrist to the hand. And now for the center finger, we're going to curve this back up. And then moving over again, arching that around and through. Lastly, we're just going to close off our cape behind. So we're going to come down, curving this out towards the shoe. Now from that point, we're going to bring this up, back down. And then again from that point, just curving this over and in. And then we're going to connect that with a curved line, joining that in the center. And then from that point, just bringing that up towards our hand. And that is it. That's how you draw Shadow from Sonic as Batman. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.